the Greenlight Debit card, is it the best debit card for kids? A lot of people don't say anything to their kids about money or finances, or they wait until they get older and just like anything else, whether it's relationships, sex, money, you just don't talk about religion. You just don't talk, if if you grow up in a Christian home, you're a Christian. You can't do anything else. Well, I don't believe in that. I think you should talk about these things, and I think a father's job is to prepare their kids, get their kids ready for the real world. And in the real world, finances are important, and people use credit and people use debit, and just saying not to use them isn't enough. So Carter started, like most kids, looking on YouTube and seeing some things about debit cards. And came to me and said he wanted one. I'm like, what? So I started looking. I started researching, and we came up with the best one I think that's out there. That's why we're talking about it. It's called the Greenlight Debit card. It's a debit card for kids, a debit card for families, but parents, you have the ability to monitor it heavily.
And I think you can also decide where they can spend their money in it.
Yeah, I mean, you basically oversee what they're spending on. You can give them an allowance, and you can give them their allowance through the debit card. They can save, they can invest. So it's really a good thing to have. You can show them your card.
I decided to put a Doberman on mine because I really like Dobermans, and then they let you customize how you want it.
And you can customize it, but it's not free. The customization costs. So that's the thing that we should tell the parents and tell the people.
Yeah, it's not free to customize.
It's not free to customize it. It costs $10 to customize every card. To customize a card. So this card, it costs $10. It also costs. They have different plans. I wish I could show you, but we're filming on my iPhone, so I can't show you the app. If you like this video, you comment in the video, you like this video, you want to know more about the Greenlight app, we can do another one, and I can actually show you the app or how it looks. But there are different plans. And honestly, when I first signed up, I signed up for one of the most expensive plans. It's like $20 some a month. You don't need that because it's just him using a debit card. You can have like 6 kids on there. The one he's got, we're paying $10 a month. You can have 5 kids on there. It's just him. I mean, Riley's too young for a debit card.
I don't think Riley ever needs a debit card.
Nah, we'll see. And you get a lot of good things with that $10. You get protection, alerts when they spend, when something transactions are done. So it's any debit card, you're going to be paying fees. Some people might not like it because there are fees associated. Because when I told my wife about it, she was like, "Oh, that's why do you have to pay fees?" But I think the more important thing is that they're learning about money.
And this isn't just one thing that I know. I actually know a lot about debit cards, so this isn't something that is it's new to me. I haven't had my own debit card, but it's not something that I'm clueless about.
I mean, yeah, obvious, because he told me about it. So and I began to do my research. But the important thing is for parents and kids to know that this is real money on these debit cards. A lot of times you want to teach your kids that because kids learn from observation, imitation, and repetition. So when you're using your debit card, you gotta let them know, hey, this is real money on here that I worked for. And once it's gone, it's gone. It's not just like it's like endless amount of money. If we place whatever we deposit on there, we're the first deposit we're gonna deposit this $100. His $100 from his birthday. We're gonna deposit that on this card. Okay. So once this $100 is spent, you don't have any more money. Unless you
save.
Yeah, unless you save or you do chores and work around the house and you get in a weekly or bi-weekly allowance, your money is gone.
I think I should get a $9 because I helped you outside doing the lawn work.
Yeah, I mean we can talk about that. But see, that's conversations you can have and let your kids know, hey, you work for money, you get paid. You spend all the money you worked for, you don't have any more money. That's still the good thing about cash is that once it's gone, it's gone. So, but us as parents, we have to relay that and make kids understand that the money on your debit card is digital, but it's real. It's real. And once you spend it all, there's nothing left. Now, some credit cards like Chime and stuff like that, they have a thing called Spot Me where they spot you $200. But that money that they're loaning you, you have to pay back. So just like, people think that credit cards, I can just spend. No, you're just borrowing somebody's money that you have to pay back at a high interest. So these are important conversations that you need to have with your kids, and not having them isn't how to handle it. Not making a choice is a choice. So not making the choice not to talking about money to your kids is a choice. That's a choice. You're making a choice not to have this conversation with your son or with your daughter about money. And it's important for them to learn about money. So like I said, on the app, you can save. You can have, they can save. They can build their savings. They can even invest through the app, which I don't know really about that. You can actually open up a brokerage account through like Vanguard or Fidelity and do it that way. But I mean, some people might, it ain't a bad thing to do, but I would just do it through one of those if I had the choice. But I believe this is a good idea. I believe this is something that you should do. We're doing it for our 9-year-old. He wants to spend.
I'm only trying to spend on a wallet right now.
Okay.
Because a wallet is okay. If there's also that's the first thing you need to buy them is a wallet. Now he's keeping until like he goes to the bank and gets this into the this bank account. Right now he's keeping it in his wallet, but the first thing to do is get a wallet for them because still, like, if you go out in public and people might, like, if you go out in public and you keep it in your wallet, people still try to steal it. There's actually a myth that people might actually try to steal from grown-up wallets more than kid wallets because they have more money in their wallet. Like, his wallet looks way bigger than mine when it comes.
Yeah, but I mean, that's another good thing about the credit card. I mean, the debit card, the Greenlight debit card, is that it tracks the purchases.
Oh yeah.
It tracks the purchases. So, you know what they're spending. You know, all you got to do is open up the app and it'll show you, or it'll send you alerts like someone just bought something, using the card. So okay, yeah, so it's a good thing to have, and it keeps. I don't know why some people do it, but people do it. They let their kids have their debit cards, or they go on these gaming apps and different apps, and they put their information in, and then this kid has access to your debit card. So this is a good way to stop that from happening. You put their debit card in there, and on the only money they can spend is the money that they have. They cannot spend money that's on your card. Your card might be connected to it, but no, the only money that can be spent is the money that's loaded on the debit card. That's important for you to know. The only money that can be spent is the money that's loaded on there. Just because your card is connected doesn't mean that they can just start going and spending money. No, only money that can be spent is the money that's loaded on there. So, what else? You got anything else you want to
Yeah,
talk?
like if your kid is big on playing Roblox like me, this card is really good for it because it helps him understand, because like, okay, if I want to spend $20 on Robux right now and I could get 1,000, but then if I save up a little bit more, I could spend $35 and get 6,000. So it's kind of like this card also helps like with math equations and like money saving once you get it, because kids do a lot of gaming like me, so it could help them like save their money to get more gaming points.
And another good thing about having a debit card is that you should talk to your kids about how the money on here is real, in that you want to spend your money on things that matter. You know, if you, like you said, you spending $20, $30 on Robux, that's okay, that's fine. But then when you want to go get a smoothie, then when you want to go to your favorite place to get something to eat and you don't have any money, then what? It's because you spent all your money on Robux. You spend money on stuff that's not tangible. It's fine to have hobbies and things you like to do, but you also need to have money for the necessities, or for other things you like to do. Like, for example, yesterday he went to the movies and he wanted to spend money at the movies for different stuff at the movies. But next weekend he's going to the state fair, and you're gonna want to spend money at the state fair. So you have to talk about what's really happening and how money is important, where you want to spend your money, and letting them know you only have so much money. I'm not the parent who thinks you should just give your kids everything they want just because they ask for it, because he asks for stuff every day. Every day is something new. So
No, for the past couple of weeks, it's been the same thing. PS5.
yeah, that costs $500. You know what I mean? So talking about money is important, and that's what we like to do on the Raising Carter podcast. And if you want to know more about this card, the Greenlight Debit card, let us know. We will make another video. Actually, we probably going to do it anyway, actually showing you the app, how it looks, the different functions of it, because I think it's something that parents should think about. And you definitely need to talk to your kids about money, because it's important. It's important. Money is one of the two most important things in this world. Number one is God, and number two is money. You might not like it, but it's true. So what else you got? You got anything you want to add?
And if you do get your kid one of these, just let them know. The first thing that you need to let them know is that this isn't like fake money. And I think And I remember from watching a video about debit cards. Is this true or not? But debit cards are the ones that don't like get blocked, but credit cards do, and then you're just borrowing money from the bank.
Yeah, debit cards.
Yeah, I don't think debit cards decline. You're just borrowing money from the bank.
Well, debit cards is important to know about debit cards is that, like you said, we were talking about having a wallet. Make sure your kids have a wallet because if they lose their debit card, someone can use it. Or if they get the information off the back, they can use it and purchase stuff. And that's your money. A credit card is someone else's money, and they have different laws that govern that. And it's a lot easier to know, fraudulent transactions. But a debit card, if someone starts using your debit card, but the good thing about Greenlight, it alerts you. It lets you know, hey, somebody did this, this and that. Somebody made this purchase, this and that. Sometimes with a regular debit card, they don't, you might not know what's going on. If you don't have it hooked up to your phone, if you don't have, you're not getting alerts, someone could be making purchases on your account and and your money's gone. And anyway it goes, it's your money that they're spending. And the bank isn't crazy about giving money back. So that's one thing that's really important that you need to know. So that is this episode of the Raising Carter podcast. He's got a debit card. We're going to put his first $100 on there. I might add a little bit. So, hey, if you got any value from this, comment down below. If you're listening to this on Spotify, Apple, man, check out our other episodes. And you got anything you want to add?
Yeah, and Greenlight debit cards aren't just for kids. You can also get them for your adults. You can get them for yourself. But yeah, they're not just for kids, and that's all I have to say.
Yeah, they're not just for kids. I mean, because you have to, as a parent, you have to sign them up for it. You have to monitor it. So you're going to have to probably link one of your accounts, maybe not your main account, but so you can add funds to the account. So I think that's what he means by it. And hey, this is the place you want to come to if you're a father with sons, trying to give them the essential life skills that they need so they can be productive young men. And we are out of here. Peace.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Wow.